Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing MOVA. In this video, we will show you how to use the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete robot vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. Preparation. Remove the protective film from the base station and choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 0.5 meters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Install the base station extension ramp. Remove the protective film from the top cover and the camera, then remove the top cover to pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the mop pads.
Mop pads installed.
Dock the robot.
Starts charging.
A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started. Remove the dust tank cover. Pull out the auto solution dispenser module on the left side, open the lid of the compartment. Add official cleaning solution to tank A. Note that this bin can only use MOVA special detergent and cannot be replaced. If you have pets, you can add the supplied pet odor solution to tank B. This detergent is designed for pet families to help eliminate odors. After adding the cleaning solution, close the lid, install it back and close the dust tank cover. Remove the water tank and fill it with proper amount of tap water at room temperature. Close the lid and install the clean water tank back to the base station. Connect to app. Take out the robot and remove the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot or search MOVA Home in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the MOVA Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by MOVA. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, email login, MOVA ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Remove the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the home page to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface. On app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
And when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next. Click the button and join the MOVA Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot MOVA Vacuum and connect to it. Then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone as close to the router as possible. Wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use, Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Enter, then click the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter settings. Click Voice Assistant and turn on the switch. You can wake up the robot through Hey MOVA. The robot can perform corresponding skills through voice commands. You can also choose the voice language, adjust the volume and customize the recognized language. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or just start all cleaning by tapping Clean to build a map. In Fast Mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In All Cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. On this page you can edit the map, and the special areas such as furniture, virtual wall, no-go zone, virtual threshold, ramp and curtain on the map recognized by the robot. Clicking on virtual threshold, ramp allows you to add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map, in order to let robot act differently regarding different types of threshold, ramp. You could zoom in, out and drag the map. After you're done placing the threshold, ramp, click the upper right corner heavy checkmark to save it. Please note that you should not set the passable threshold near any staircase, since it may cause damage from falls. You can also click curtain to add curtain area, then robot will try to clean areas under and behind curtains. Click carpet to add a carpet area. You can also set the shape and type of carpet individually. Back to the home page, if you have edited furniture, you need to turn on the furniture icon in the map display to see the furniture display and editing changes in the map. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. If your home has multiple floors, click Multi-Floor Map Management at the bottom to add other floors, and you can create up to 4 layers of maps. Multi-floor cleaning feature requires creating an independent map for each floor. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. There's no need to move the base station. Click on Create Map to start cleaning directly or use Fast Mapping. The robot will create a map of the current floor, then will return to the starting position after mapping is completed. After the map is created successfully, it is recommended to change the map switching method to intelligent recognition. When the floor needs to be cleaned, you can directly move the robot to the current floor and start new cleaning task. The robot will automatically recognize and switch to the current map. After the cleaning task is completed, the robot will return to the starting position. To activate mop pads during the cleaning process, you can manually move the robot back to the base station to trigger the cleaning of the mop pads, then put it back to where it left within 15 minutes to resume cleaning. Back to the home page, click the ellipsis in the upper right corner of the home page to enter more settings. The V50 series robot vacuum features dual clearance legs to assist in climbing over thresholds that other robots can't cross. Enter clearance leg settings, and choose how you want the robot to cross the threshold. The hurdle-style obstacle crossing is recommended for sliding door track. The synchronized obstacle crossing is recommended for threshold. The V50 series vacuum has a VersaLift LiDAR that automatically identifies low areas and marks them on a map, lowering the LDS to access the sweep as it cleans. Go to Floor Cleaning Settings, Auto Lifting LDS, and select the coverage mode you want. It is recommended that you use Security Coverage, in which the robot will enter the area slightly higher than the robot to clean. In Extreme Coverage mode, the robot will enter an area almost the same height as the robot for cleaning, which may scratch the top of the robot. Back to the home page, you can also add low areas manually by clicking on low-lying areas in the map editor. Please note that each low clearance area must be contained within a single room and can't span across multiple rooms. You could zoom in, out and drag the map. After you're done placing the low clearance area, click the upper right corner heavy checkmark to save it. First time use, cleaning settings. Go back to the home page, click the water drop icon, then you can enter the Clean Genius and the custom page. Click custom to adjust cleaning mode, suction power, mop humidity, and more. You can also set personalized suction and mopping preferences for each area by clicking Customize Room Cleaning. Back to the home page of the device, clicking the dock in the bottom right corner. You could set base station function here, such as mop washing settings, drying mode, auto empty, and washboard base auto clean. Note that noise may occur during high-speed rotation of mopping pads during mop washing. It's normal. You can set the detergent addition mode, tank AB detergent type individually. After enabling hair compression, the robot will automatically detect and compress hair in the dust box during cleaning. Go to the homepage and click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner for more settings. You can also set the carpet cleaning mode as you want in carpet settings. Click the More Settings of Mop Detach. You can set different carpet cleaning strategies. For thicker carpets, enable Mop Detach mode in carpet settings. The robot will return to the base station to remove the mop pads before cleaning. Enter the floor cleaning settings. You can turn on the collision avoidance mode, cleaning along the floor direction, auto detachment and installation of mop pads. In collision avoidance mode, the robot will reduce the collision on walls, furniture, and obstacles, but the cleaning efficiency and coverage will be reduced. When the auto detachment and installation of mop pads is turned on, the robot will automatically remove and install the mop in the base station according to the selected cleaning mode. When the cleaning along the floor direction function is turned on, during global cleaning and selective room cleaning, the robot will follow the direction of the floor, reducing scraping against the floor seams. If you have pets, please go to Pet Care and enable Pet Recognition. This page allows you to quickly customize pet-related settings, such as pet area cleaning and auxiliary cleaning for pet cleaning. It is recommended to set the auto empty to intelligent by using the auto empty settings. You can also view your pet activity zone, check your pet status through pet monitoring, and set pet moments to automatically capture pet pictures. Back to the settings, enter the AI-driven Mop Extend settings and turn on the AI-driven side reach. The robot will automatically swing out the side brush in the right-angled and low overhanging areas. With AI-driven Mop Extend turned on, the robot will automatically swing out its mop pad when cleaning along the edges and corners during the mopping task to enhance the cleaning coverage. You can also choose intensive cleaning for furniture legs. Additionally, open the crevices to reach out and wipe. You can also set how often the side brushes and mops swing out during a cleaning task using the frequency setting. It is recommended to set it to intelligence. You can also enter the intelligent obstacle avoidance and turn it on for improved obstacle avoidance. Please note, AI recognition effectiveness improves with usage and software updates. Turn on the pictures. You can view the pictures of the obstacles recognized by the robot. You can also turn on the fill light. In the low light environment, it will automatically fill light to improve obstacle avoidance and video clarity of the screen. Back to the settings, select more functions. You can turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode, resume cleaning mode, child lock and control your robot through remote control. You can also access real-time camera to enable remote viewing. Quickly press the dock button 3 times. Click Settings on the app. Set a 4-digit password. This allows you to use the real-time camera function. In this way, you can remotely view the live recording of cleaning through the camera of the robot. You can click the camera button on the right side of the device's homepage and enter the password to enable this feature. You can also remotely control photo taking, video recording, or recharging. These are the instructions for the first-time use of MOVA V50 Ultra Complete.